So Roman, welcome. Thank you for joining. I know you wanted to share a screen, so after you, sir.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. I see a couple familiar faces. It's Brandon from Telnix. Good presentation, guys. So exciting to be part of this panel, first of all. So my name is Roman. I'm founder of a company called GhostDrive, and we are a layer 2 solution for Filecoin and IPFS, a file management system. And three-factor what we care is about the simplicity, provide the simplicity onboarding from Web2 users on the Web3. Then we are focusing on the data privacy and data ownership. So we build a platform which able you to provide a new, more advanced feature than anybody right now on the Web2 space, including Dropbox or Google Drive. So we very familiar have a product, which I will show you in a second. And this product been developed by many engineers, and we've been working directly with Filecoin Foundation, with Telnix, SP providers, our advisors from Google Solution Architects. So we bring a lot of good engineers and been working on a lot of different use cases, helping how we can simplify the whole ability and providing a new infrastructure for enterprise, for businesses, and users. So we trying to build this beautiful platform, and I will do the quick demo. So first of all, what we did, the GhostDrive is a layer 2 solution for Filecoin or IPFS, and our main goal, how we can speed up the encryption process of the data in the REST, and how we can provide the data indexing. So make sure if file being deleted from the network, so we have a token system or data indexing on our end. We also providing S3 capability access, so people can manage all their data, or they can import with a CLA data, let's say from AWS to the Filecoins through our layer. And we built our own client encryption method. So we have everything, it's encrypting on the client side, which we don't have access to the decryption key. And also we have our own middle layer, which storage provider like Filecoin, SP providers will install our middle layer, which encrypt data on the server side. And we built this new logic with Paul Wagner, was helping us for the last probably 6 months, simplifying the ability how everything flow in the data. And what we designed is something like this. So this is a new interface for ability how people will be able to manage their files. And I will probably start from beginning. So first of all, users can build kind of buckets or workspaces. And I will do the demo. Let's say I want to build a workspace on the Filecoin or a public IPFS, but public IPFS is going to be holding by our private nodes, not the private nodes like primer nodes, which we will provide like 1 gigabit line or 10 gigabit lines for a better experience and better like connections. And a user able to choose, from 1 terabyte to 100 terabyte, if it's going to be enterprise, so they can buy directly from us like a 1 petabyte, and they have ability to pay via credit cards or the crypto. So we simplify this whole onboarding process. And once the user already in that bucket, or it can have a multiple buckets, we providing a lot of secure features. So you can do you will have IP access keys, geolocation security, so you can add countries or city for people or workers for the able to log in, or you can even add the time management where your employees can log into your particular buckets. We also add payment gateway on the smart contract, so the smart contract can control the access to all your information, or if you want to even monetize it, you will be able to do it. So right now we are supporting 4 different networks, including Filecoin, and all our smart contracts. It's fully public on our GitHub. You guys will be able to check it. We have a good Web2, Web3 management system for the users. So you can invite user by the email or by their wallet address in our platform. So we cover both. Then we have a lot of, I don't want to go like too detailed because this will take too much time. I just want to highlight the most critical parts. So we have ability of provide people like IP whitelisting, VP configuration, network configuration. So you can build and secure all your network using our application layer in a one click. So everything what we built is a one click application. And this is a dashboard how user will interact. So we have ability to, let me do maybe in a white, so it's going to be more much better for you probably, guys. So what we build here and what you see, it's a new approach how you can manage and what you can do with your files. So we have this new what we've been focusing, building a new and super classy, simple, easy to use interfaces for your data. So here what you see, like each file, wherever I upload, has own CID or hash, which you can validate on IPFS or Filecoin. And then be providing if this file been encrypted or no, or this file have ownership. Ownership meaning if this file been tokenized or have a token access and etc. And what we design, so you have also ability to create a sharing capability. So you can share your information, not only by link, like normally you do in Web2 space, but you can create a token access. So the token access mean you can mint specific tokens for that particular file on the smart contract. And then instead of me send you the link or file or attachment, I just mint the token and automatically that information gonna be available in that user end. The way how everything, plus we providing, by the way, login system, kind of like a Git book, so people can see and you can see what's been happening to your data, who been changing your data. It's like a whole history. And we have also automation event where you're able to connect any automation process, schedule some event. Let's say you want to do a data deletion, or you want to connect like a Google Scripts or a Jupyter or any. So we user friendly for all those type of events here and easy to use. Then we have ability to providing like a security application, and the big feature we building and we already finished is called like a multi-sig management. So let's say you have a file and this file can be managed by 2 or 3 cryptographic signature. So then mean if you want to delete this file or share this file, you want to require 2 more signature. You have ability also put any comments if it's like a community workspace or community bucket, so everybody can participate from one place. And the killer feature what we have is ability to tokenize your file on the fly, and you can automatically mint the token access inside of our platform. Then you have ability to, once it's being created on the smart contract, so you will be able to send those tokens to the users, and then you will be able even to do the NFT. So we're trying to build and simplify the process how people can make Web2 data to the Web3 data in a one click, utilizing all those type of protocols. We also built a lot of features kind of like familiar with like Google Drive or Dropbox, when you can see what file will be shared with you, what you've been working, all your comments, or your file being deleted. So you have a full control of all your data management. And also we've been providing and building our own application as well. So inside of GhostDrive, you not only can store and manage your file, you can even, let's say, add your multisig or your, or, I don't know, your website, your seed phrase, and it's become like a vault for any sensitive information like the credit cards and etc. And each of that file also have a hash, so it's stored up like differently, and is going to the Filecoin or IPFS, depends on which workspace it's been working. Then we have a lot of, this is a new feature, what we call a safety net, gives ability for user to never lose access to any sort of file. So let's say I can make this file to send me a message, and I can add my mom or my best friend, and I can tell the system, okay, send me message like every 12 days if I don't respond. So automatically the system gonna send to the trust member the ownership, so that user will be able to have access to the decryption key and have access to this kind of file. And under what we have also available, give ability for user to quickly upgrade the storage. We have a multi-languages, including Chinese. So we're trying to be very user-friendly to all, and we're going to provide the most to all our users. We built our own token reward system and ability to add the multiple wallets, where the all encryption happening from the client side from your MetaMask. So we don't have access to all this information and a lot of security layers. So this is like super short. If you guys have any question, I would answer them all.